Hey guys, it's Paul here with Trade Binary Options with Success, coming to you guys with a new binary options trading strategy video. Today, we're going to be doing a new video on the news trading strategy. This is a very easy and simple one to use, so I'm going to try to make this video as fast as possible to prove to you guys it's not that complicated. Now, we're going to go over to my actual trading guide, where I show you guys exactly how to use this strategy in the most but less words. Now when I say that, I want to make it the most educational, but I don't want to make it a novel. So I hope I did the best job possible in explaining to you guys how to use this trading strategy. Now before we begin, I highly recommend you learn more about news releases. If you haven't already, that is a binary options trading tips episode and you can watch that here. Now let's begin. What is the news trading strategy? Simple and easy. It's a strategy that is based off of trading the economic news releases. In a previous article in the news releases trading tips episode, we did talk about what all that meant about news releases. So make sure you watch that video before this. Like I said previously, I just really want to emphasize that because it's very important, because I'm not really going to be explaining it in this news trading strategy because I'm going to believe you already know about it. Now let's move on. Basically what you're looking for is either a 5-pip movement in the positive or negative direction, right as soon as the news release occurs. For example, if it happened at 13:30 GMT, you would want to see the market move in the 5 pips positive or 5 pip negative. The way I analyze this is through a 10-pip box. Now it sounds kind of funny, but the 10-pip box really works well. What I use it for is analyzing the market, setting up my box right next to the current price to see where the market is going to be moving. Now in this guide, I fully explain on how to draw your 10-pip box in Thinkorswim if you're using that charting software. Other softwares I'm not too familiar with, but I'm sure you can do it. Now the other alternative besides doing the box is actually watching your broker's screen. I don't recommend this because it's not very accurate. I personally recommend doing the 10-pip box if possible. Now, the trades are going to be anywhere from 30 seconds to 5 minutes. Wow, that does sound short, but it's very effective. Why? Because you get in when the initial movement is happening and you avoid the whip saws. Now, what time of the day should you be using this strategy? Use it when the market is volatile, when the news release occurs. Yeah, that sounds a little odd for many of our other strategies, but this is a different one to conquer a different time of the market. Personally, I like to watch out for the GBP, USD, JPY, and Euro news releases just because those are more the common pairs I like to trade. But analyze the market, see which assets you like, what news releases you like. It's all up to you guys. This isn't a set in stone. I want you guys to explore it and talk about it and share your personal experience with trading this strategy. Now the expiry times that you're going to be trading is anywhere from 30 seconds to 300 seconds. That is 30 seconds to 5 minutes. That is because you have a 5-minute timer. Imagine having 5 minutes after the news release actually occurs. Now you want your trade to expire at the same time as that 5-minute expiry. That means you have 5 minutes for your 5-pip break to occur. So if it happens 2 minutes after the news release happens, you're going to be taking a 3-minute trade to equal that 5 minutes. If you have it happens 30 seconds after your news release, you're going to take a 5-minute trade because that's the closest to 4.5 minutes. And I hope that makes sense. Now maybe a lot of people are going to be asking, oh, what assets should I trade? I recommend to stick to the common pairs like I mentioned before. So if a news release happens on the USD, you're going to be looking for pairs that have the US dollar in it. And it's anything basically goes for that. So if you have a JPY news release, you're going to be looking for pairs that have JPY. Now, the trading results I actually have gotten are very high just because they're few trades, but they're profitable trades. You don't get as many as you'd really want. Maybe you're looking at 6 to 10 trades a week, not a day, a week, because you actually have to go out and plan what days you're going to be trading. You can look ahead to see what days there's going to be good trading setups that might happen from strong news releases. You can actually look at this ahead of time. you guys can go to the members tools page that I've created for you guys, where there's actually an economic calendar. I'll post that link below, as well as the full guide to this trading strategy. I think it's a very effective one, and you guys can please share your thoughts and let me know if you guys like it. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video, and as always, thanks for watching.